Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear lamp and how to change the bulbs in it. To remove the lamp, you have to open this latch here. There's a thumb screw there and you have to remove that one. And then you pull from the side. Unplug it. To access the bulbs, you need to remove these three nuts here. And just put it like this. So you'll need two bulbs that are W5W and W16W. Just pull them like this. Put them back. Just insert it. This one as well. Pull it. Put it back. To put it back, make sure the rubber seal it's here put properly to prevent any water coming in. Put it back. First you put the wire here in. Plug the cable. Then first you insert it here. Here in these two notches. Then you put the black thumb screw. Close the latch and you're done. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.